That's me, Fred the house cat. When my family leaves for the day, I don't just sit inside watching the world go by. I become... Nature Cat! Backyard Explorer Extraordinaire! Tally-ho! Tally-ho! We're climbing out the trees now. We're swinging through the breeze now. We're getting muddy knees now. Nature Cat!
Nature Cat, Nature Cat, Nature Cat, Nature Cat, Nature Cat.
So what are we waiting for? We're so excited to explore all that nature has in store. Nature Cat! Tally-ho! Tally-ho!
He's our favorite nature guide. We just can't wait to get
Outside! Through the trees now. We're jumping in the leaves now. We're getting muddy knees now. Nature Cat! Tally-ho!
Nature Cat, Nature Cat.
Tally-ho!
Man, oh man, it sure is hot today.
We've shunted every truck in the quarry today. But I'm too thirsty to feel useful.
One for you, and one for you. But I must say, I wouldn't mind a bit of me time.
The Refreshment Lady needs a place for another tea room.
Oh, goody goody. I'd be happy to help.
I knew it. It'll be a piece of cake. Tea rooms don't live in cakes. It's just my way of saying it would be fun and easy to find the right place.
This looks like a great spot.
It's not sunny enough.
Perfect!
No, sunny but too windy.
But I don't know what to do. I can't make up my mind. What a shame I can't build a tea room in each place.
That's just the saddest thing I've ever heard!
Oh, me too.
Me too, also!